Hello guys, welcome to Planet Favorites. A Ford electric vehicle can charge at upgraded Tesla Supercharger in the United States and Canada with a fast charging adapter. Selected Tesla Supercharger location have a Magic Dock adapter also. And at these locations, you can use the fast charging adapter or the Magic Dock. Ford is saying thank you to its electric vehicle customer by making the fast charging adapter available at no cost to new and existing customer enrolled in the Blue Oval Charge Network through 30th June 2024. Retail customer will be eligible to receive a complimentary adapter if ordered by 30th June. Future Ford EV customer can purchase the adapter from Ford, and in the future Ford will begin offering next generation electric vehicle with the North American Charging Standard, which is also called NACS.